Welcome, friends, to Chemi World. Your curiosity starts here. Hi, friends. Today I came here to explain how to find the hybridization of a molecule in an easy manner. In most of times, we were find difficulties to find the hybridization. Let us see how it can be easily find out. The formula is number of atoms attached to the central atom. To the central atom plus number of lone pairs. Number of lone pairs on that atom, the central atom. Okay, atom. Once again I repeat the formula, that is number of atoms attached to the central atom plus number of lone pairs on that atom. This is an easy formula and it helps to find out the hybridization of almost all molecules. If we get 2 when we calculate, then it is sp hybridization. It is 3, then it is sp2 hybridization. 4, it is sp3 hybridization. 5, sp3d hybridization, and so on. Now I will show you some of the examples to make it more clear. Okay. In many competitive exams, it's a sure question to find the hybridization of a molecule. At that time, we get unfamiliar molecules also. So this formula is very helpful to you. I see first an example for you. Ammonia. Here the central atom is nitrogen and it is a 15th group element. Its valency is 5. Then we apply the above formula, that is the number of atoms attached is 3. Here 3 hydrogen is attached plus number of lone pair of electrons. For finding it, first we take the valency of nitrogen minus number of atoms attached, which is 3. Therefore 5 minus 3 is equal to 2, that is 2 electrons. 2 electrons means 1 lone pair. A pair contains 2 electrons. So it has 1 lone pair, that is 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. 4 means which is sp3 hybridized. Okay. NH3 has sp3 hybridization. Next we consider another molecule, H2O. Here oxygen is the central atom and it is a 16th group element. Its valency is 6. 2 hydrogen is attached. By applying the above formula, we get 2 plus number of lone pair, that is 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. 4 means 4 electrons, that is 2 lone pair of electrons, that is 2 lone pairs is equal to 4, which means H2O is sp3 hybridized. Okay, then we consider another species, SO4 2 minus. Okay, sulfur is a 16th group element. Its valency is 6. Okay, then oxygen, 4 oxygen is attached to it. That is the number of atom attached is 4 plus. To find lone pair of electrons, we first consider the valency. Here the 2 minus, 2 negative charges. That means sulfur can accept 2 electrons. That 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. Then we consider these 8 electrons minus number of oxygen attached. Here 4 oxygen is attached, each oxygen containing 2 lone pair of electrons. That is 4 into 2 is equal to 8. That is 8 minus 8 is equal to 0. Here the lone pair is, or the number of lone pairs is 0. That is 4. The species is sp3 hybridized. Let us consider another example. XeO2F2. Xe is a 18th group element. Xe. Here the central atom is Xe. It is 18th group. Its valency is 8. By applying the formula, that is, the number of atoms attached is 2 oxygen and 2 fluorine. That is 2 plus 2 is equal to 4 plus, consider the valency 8. Here 2 fluorine is attached. Okay. Then 2 oxygen. Each oxygen containing 2 lone pairs. That is 2 into 2 is equal to 4. 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. That is 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. 2 electrons, 1 lone pair. 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. That is sp3 dehybridization. Friends, it is very easy to find the hybridization of almost all molecules if we know the group. Okay, let us consider another species, NH4 plus. Here nitrogen is 15th group element. Its valency is 5, but here a positive charge on it. So it can donate 1 electron. That 5 minus 1 is equal to 4, and by applying the above formula, that is the number of atoms attached to the central atom plus the number of lone pairs on that atom. The number of atoms attached is 4. 4 plus the number of lone pairs can be founded. First we take the valency 4 minus the number of atoms attached, which is 4. 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. Here the number of lone pairs is equal to 0, that is equal to 4. 4 means sp3 hybridization. In all these cases, we find out the hybridization without knowing the molecule's shape. Okay? Thanks for watching my video. Let us see with another tricks.